What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes with KetoBrick.com. When I think of Keto Brick, I think of taking a couple bricks, putting them in my backpack, going outside, going hiking, going hunting, going fishing, going camping, getting off the grid because I have a 1,000 calorie shelf-stable meal replacement bar in hand. When I think of summertime, I think of being on the water. You combine those, what do you get? You get a Kayak Keto Brick giveaway. So in front of me here, I got the Native brand Kayak, 12 foot long, it's a fishing kayak. We've got the Werner brand paddle. We got the lifejacket, I'm not sure what brand this is, what the guy recommended. We got a little ice chest here, but this thing is pretty legit, y'all. Like it's got, with the seat, you can sit low, you can sit high. So pretty cool, you can outfit this, you can have covers here, you can mount depth finders, fish finders, all that good stuff. All this stuff together totals just over 1,500 bucks. The boat's 1,200, this is 160, the paddle's 150, the ice chest is 80. So it winds up being like just over 1,500 bucks worth of product that I think is in line with the Keto Brick brand and philosophy. So this video is going out to y'all at noon Central on the 29th of July, which is a Friday. We're gonna close the doors on this giveaway at midnight at the end of this month on Sunday the 31st. So from now until then, every $10 spent at KetoBrick.com on Keto Bricks is gonna enter you in a chance to win a ticket to win this kayak. Then on Monday, we're going to get in contact with the winner. We're gonna figure out what your shipping address is. We're gonna figure out what size life jacket you need, and we're gonna ship this kayak, this paddle, this life jacket, and that cooler to you wherever you're located, as long as you're located in the continental US. So we're excited about it, hope you're excited about it. Every $10 on bricks spent during that window from Friday at noon to 11:59 p.m. on Sunday the 31st is gonna enter you in a chance to win this tricked out fishing kayak.